Hi everyone, in this video you will learn what are PHP callback functions and how they are used. A callback is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. To utilize a function as a callback, you simply pass a string containing the name of the function as an argument to the other function. Any defined function can serve as a callback. Now we'll look at some examples. In this example, we are using a callback function example_callback with PHP array_map function to fetch items from an array. The array_map function calls this callback function for each item in the colors array, which returns that item name. So, all colors name are populated in array variable, as you can see in this output. This is just an example to demonstrate how callback functions work in PHP. Anonymous callback functions. Beginning with version 7, PHP allows the use of anonymous functions as callback functions. For example, here we are using an anonymous callback function directly as an argument to the array_map function. And you can see in this output that the code works. Callbacks in user-defined functions. User-defined functions and methods can also accept callback functions as arguments, just like regular function arguments. In this example, we have three user-defined functions. These two functions are meant to be used as callbacks for this function. Here we are calling the greeting function 2 times by passing these two functions as callbacks. And you can see the output here. Note that this statement is calling these two functions depending on which function is received as a callback for this argument. So, the output is shown accordingly. This was all about PHP callback functions. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.